Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Mini Cooper petrol cap. First, find the fuel flap, which is always on the passenger side of your vehicle. Make sure your Mini Cooper is completely unlocked, as the fuel flap is part of the central locking system. Then, simply press firmly on the rear edge of the flap. You'll hear a small click, and the flap will pop open slightly, allowing you to access the fuel cap itself. It's a straightforward process once you know the trick. Once the fuel flap is open, you'll see the actual fuel cap. To remove it, turn the cap counterclockwise until it's completely loose. You'll often hear a few clicks as you unscrew it, which is normal. Many Mini Cooper models have a small tether or a designated holder inside the fuel flap where you can hang the cap while you refuel. This prevents it from dangling or getting dirty on the ground. Always ensure it's securely placed. After you've finished refueling your Mini Cooper, it's time to close everything up. First, remove the nozzle and then replace the fuel cap. Turn it clockwise until you hear at least one click, ensuring it's sealed properly to prevent fuel vapors from escaping. Finally, gently push the fuel flap back into its closed position. It should latch securely and sit flush with the car's body. Double-check that it's fully closed before driving away. Here are a few important tips to remember. If your fuel flap doesn't open, first confirm your car is unlocked. Sometimes, a quick lock and unlock cycle can reset the system. Never try to force the flap open, as this could damage the mechanism. If you're still having trouble, consult your owner's manual or a Mini Cooper specialist, as there might be a manual release in the boot. Also, for those looking to improve their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a great book and other helpful deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.